You saw that? No mirrors? Oh, come on, man. Ha, they didn't even realize we're right here. I mean, he has a point. I ain't about that life. Wow. Very nice. Did you guys know that I can see the future? You know how the lads are gonna react right now? They're gonna be like, oh, Danof, you're so late, Danof. And just because I said 17:10 and I'm not there at that time doesn't mean I'm late. It means I'm a free spirit and time means nothing to me. They're gonna judge me because I'm always late, because my life is out of control. Come on! Jag är inte sen, eller hur? Nej.
Jo.
Nej.
Jo.
Nej.
Jo.
Nej.
Jo, 1 minut.
Ja, men det är fan, that's not bad. That's not bad. Wow, that was so cool. That's what I think about you. And your disgusting bike. Puh. Puh. 4 cylinders. Puh. Disgusting. Very nice. No, he won't start. Can't risk it. I know his mirrors are like on rock hard, so I'm not gonna hit him. Probably gonna hurt my hand or something. Break my fingers. And also, ladies, it's a dark day. As you can see, the baked rider has an unknown female assailant with him. He's taken, it seems, but don't worry, I have a plan. A little accident is gonna happen where I accidentally smash her off. No mirrors? Oh, come on, man. Can't ride without mirrors. Yeah, this gotta be the easiest trick you can do on a motorcycle, right? Does this even count? I don't think it does. I think people are just like, yeah, he has his legs on his gas tank. That's pretty much it, you know. It's not even considered a little tricky madricker. So we're actually going to grill some stuff. I have no idea what we're gonna grill, but we have a grill, we got stuff, and we're grilling some stuff. We might even grill you. If you don't behave, we might grill you. Okay? So behave. If you don't subscribe and like this video, we're putting you on the grill. Saying we rock you. Yeah. Gonna have to censor that one out for you kids. Pretend like it didn't happen. Wow, look at those clouds. Oh. Comment down below if you see anything cool in the clouds. Do you guys see anything? I'm trying to like, are you seeing anything cool? Because I can't really, oh. Well, I'm not seeing anything now. What does it say there? I couldn't read it in time. Probably nothing. Probably said like motorcycle lane or something like that, if you ask me. That don't worry about it. I need it. That's very epic. Ha, they didn't even realize we're right here. Blood. I mean, he has a point. It doesn't say you're not allowed to walk over red. It's a very valid point. We should have never given him that clown horn. Keeps honking it at everything. Oh, they're recording something. But he doesn't care that there's like a film crew there. You might want to close where your phone's at there, huh? Okay.
Någon som behöver 1 miljon kronor kamera.
Let the heist begin. Oh, those rocks look menacing. What? I ain't about that life. We're not made for this. Oy, oy, oy. Let me back up so he gets space, eh?
Real off-road with Danof.
Sure, I'm just gonna go around this shit. I'm just gonna go around. I ain't doing that shit, boys. I'll see you over there. I ain't doing that. They're taking way too long to get that to work. God damn. I'm just gonna do an alternative route. I'm taking my own goddamn path. It didn't look like they were gonna get over there anytime soon, so I'm just gonna take this way. Here's a little lesson for all you youngsters in the chat. Find your own way. I have no idea if this is gonna work. I think I'm just gonna have to backtrack all the way back to them. I don't want to get hit by an opposite car, yes? Yeah, here we go. And now I'm here. Look at those rims, boy. Woo-hoo. You saw that? That was impressive. I'm a bit of a hooligan. Hey, what's up, man? We're on our way to buy a goddamn grill because we don't have one apparently. God damn it, I was so hungry, and they were like, "Oh, we're gonna eat," and they were like, "Oh, Danof, go get the grill." At least I got the baked rider with me, you know. I'm happy over that. I'm happy that I'm not alone. Here we are, cheapest place to get stuff in Sweden. It's not, but it's one of those places. Hi there, darling. Let me. Oh. Yeah. Oh. All right, gotta be careful with the hink. This is a weird way to ride, but it's the only way I can. So me and the baked rider didn't realize that in Sweden, you know, a one-time grill, which we used to have, you like dispose of it afterwards. That's not a thing anymore, apparently. Apparently you can't freaking buy it. So now we bought a goddamn metal bucket and like coal. We're gonna start a forest fire. We turn in here. I don't know why I didn't honk or anything. I don't know why I chose to go boo. You fool, you gotta go with the cool kids. Got a whole ass bucket. You might be like, Danof, where are you going? Weren't you guys supposed to have a nice little barbecue? Yeah, we were. Except we didn't buy anything to start the goddamn fire with. You know how hard it is to start a fire when you don't have anything to start a fire with? Have you ever tried that? Why do people ride like this, like on purpose? It sucks. Feels weird. Well, I guess it doesn't feel weird for them, but you know what I mean. It feels dumb. They can't stop that. It feels dumb. Feels like I should be wearing gear because I'm not an idiot. But here I am, being an idiot. Misery, misery, misery. Oh god. It wants to fall out. I got the lighter fluid. Now we can begin burning stuff. Finally. We will burn down the forest and everyone who's in it. Which I don't think anyone's in that forest actually. God damn it. What a waste of a good forest fire. And a special thank you to patrons Adam Page RC, Leo, and Amu.